Need to fix Instagram with disabled your account? Then you're on the right video. Today I'm gonna show you the step-by-step process on how you can easily fix this issue. So you might be in the position where you try to log in into your specific account on Instagram, but it says that we disabled your account and you no longer have access to your account. Sometimes you might face this issue because you have violated some of the terms and conditions of Instagram. But if you haven't done anything, then simply head over to Safari or move into any of the web browser. Once you're in here, in the address bar, you need to search for Instagram disabled account or disabled Instagram account. Once done, head over to the very first site. Well, you'll need to submit the report to the Instagram support. So scroll down, and in the section of was this helpful, you have to click on no. Now tap on other and then click on select. Now right over here you have to state the problem that you have been facing. If you do not know what to write, then you can simply copy and paste the thing that I have just written. Also, you have to enter your username, email address, and also phone number associated with your Instagram account. Once you have entered all the informations, click on submit. Once the report has been submitted, now within 24 hours, if your account is safe and clean, then you will be able to recover and get back your account, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.